I'm reviewing this glue gun by Mueller, by Meyer, by Melon Farmer, by Miller. This Miller electric glue gun. Couple good things about this glue gun. First thing is it works. The second thing, it's cheap. Some of the cons, it's probably cheaply made and possibly it won't last that long. Another con, it's made in China. Who is this glue gun for? First, it's for people that are cheap. So if you're a route guy or a wholesale guy, this glue gun's for you. If you're a hail guy, this glue gun is probably not for you because you're probably gonna get made fun of by the other hail guys. Why did I buy it? Well, because it was so cheap, really. And I wanted to see if it would really work. So am I gonna keep using this thing? I am gonna keep using this and I'll let you know how long it lasts. Hopefully it lasts a while. We'll see. It does seem like we're taking a risk here in getting this thing. Now, some people are talking about, does it have battery protection? Being as how I don't actually know what that means, what I think it means is, does this have protection from people stealing your batteries, like painters? So what I would say is, no, it does not have built-in battery protection, but you always have to be watching your back for painters trying to get your batteries and other tools. Yeah, I know everyone wants to know if it will last. I don't know, I've only had it for 3 days. I get it, but I've only had the thing for 3 days. I don't know if it's gonna last. I don't know if it's gonna destroy the battery. I understand people don't want their batteries destroyed, but I don't know. It hasn't destroyed mine yet, but I don't know if it will. I get it. No, I don't. Why are you hassling me so much? Why are you hassling me about this? Hey, why don't you do your own video?